How to find watch later playlist on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you through on how to find watch later playlist on YouTube. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch YouTube application on your phone. Make sure to sign in to your account. Navigate to the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen. From this section, you will see playlist. You simply need to tap on view all and scroll down. Here you will see different playlists. Simply tap on watch later. And these are all your watch later videos. So in this way, you can easily find watch later playlists on YouTube. If you don't have watch later playlist, you can easily make it by following this way. Come to the home screen and select a particular YouTube video. Tap on three dots and now you need to tap on save to playlist, or simply you can tap on save to watch later directly. Here you can easily tap on new playlist and create a new playlist with the title watch later. Now tap on create button at bottom right corner and then you can tap on see list and you can easily see that we have successfully made watch later playlist, and in this way you can find it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.